Arc programming and welding. First, create a program. I fill in the name randomly. This is our standard format. Now move the robot to the welding path. Let's set a higher safety point. Insert, choose our motion instructions. Choose point-to-point movage command. Speed is set to 30. Click OK to set up successfully. Move the robot to the arc welding path. Set the second point-to-point movage. The speed is still 30%. Now insert a welding control parameter and confirm. At the same time, select our process number. Choose here and here. I just set up number 1. I will use number 1. Return to program. Confirm that your process number is correct and the setting is successful. Move the robot's welding gun to the next point. Since we want to do a circular welding, so we now set the second point of the arc. Let's choose motion control and use command Movca to draw a full circle. Set the speed to 10. After setting the second point of arc welding, then control the robot welding gun to reach the third point of the arc. After arriving the third point, press Insert, Motion Control, Movca. Select Motion command, select Speed. Click Confirm. In this way, an arc welding path is set successfully. Next, set the arc ending command. Click the Insert, Welding Control, Arc Off and Confirm. Now still choose number 1 welding process parameters. If now you want to adjust your current and voltage, please go to Function column, find Welding Weld parameter. This is the arc starting parameter. These are the parameters in the middle of welding. This is the arc ending parameter. Set up these parameters according to part welding process and save. If you want to use other welding processing parameters, you can modify and choose the right one. I use group number 1 parameters, so I choose number 1. Turn off the switch weld enable and idle it and not weld. If you turn on the button, it will do actual welding. Let's firstly simulate this path. Then switch to automatic mode and start simulating. Confirm that the simulation path is correct and formal welding can be carried out. Turn on the weld enable switch and perform actual welding. This completes the arc programming and welding.